The future. Electrified. 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 The future of all electric driving.
Easy offers plenty of standard intuitive technologies, with the standard digital key capability and an active remote connect trial or subscription.
While the world held its breath in anticipation of Tesla's next strategic maneuver under the harsh glare of the international spotlight, Toyota authored a low-profile yet earth-shaking shift in the electric vehicle landscape. Without advance notice, the Japanese automaker rolled out an electric vehicle that would shock many, catching Tesla and Chinese competitors like BYD off guard, along with American automakers. Its incredible range, groundbreaking technology, and low price point have all combined to pose some very fundamental questions about Tesla's continued dominance of the EV market. But just when it seemed like Tesla had this race on cruise control, Toyota slammed the brakes on that narrative. And what comes next might completely flip the EV leaderboard. Electric vehicle battle: Tesla versus Toyota. When discussing electric vehicles, you cannot help but think about Tesla and Elon Musk's revolutionary company that has become associated with the EV space. Tesla disrupted the electric car industry with great technology, long-range driving, and sophisticated styling. It is impossible to discuss electric vehicles without discussing Tesla. However, there is now a strong contender that threatens to unseat Tesla as the market leader. That challenger is Japan's auto giant, Toyota. Then, Toyota moved slowly into the electric vehicle space as others accelerated their EV strategy. Operating behind the scenes, Toyota spent much time in research and planning, allowing Tesla to dominate the world EV market. Nevertheless, Toyota's move with hybrids, especially its well-selling Prius model, was a demonstration of deep technological wisdom. Rather than being quick to market, the firm waited and acted wisely and boldly after worldwide consumer demand for EVs ramped up, and then launched a full-spectrum offensive. Toyota's ultimate breakthrough is its innovative solid-state battery technology, which has the potential to change the EV landscape dramatically and for good. Toyota's new battery layout offers massive improvements over lithium-ion technology, with unbelievably fast 10-minute charging times and a breathtaking 200-kilometer range. If Toyota is able to bring this technology to market by 2027, Tesla's most important competitive advantages in range and charging speed would be under severe threat. Other than battery technology, Toyota has a robust advantage in manufacturing prowess and quality control as well. Unlike Tesla, which has constantly been criticized for paint finish quality and delivery timelines, Toyota is renowned as an exceptionally durable and reliable vehicle maker. Its robust supply chain management capabilities and advanced manufacturing systems enable a smooth transition into mass EV making without compromising on quality standards. Also, Toyota has begun developing BEV-exclusive platforms and set up specialized plants dedicated to producing electric vehicles alone. Such advanced factories utilize automation through robotics and AI, with Toyota poised to equal Tesla in terms of production scalability. Although Tesla still leads in software and autonomous driving tech, Toyota is quickly closing the gap on AI and smart sensing tech. It is believed that Toyota will close the potential software delay with a strong hardware platform. Another important advantage is Toyota's wider market access. Rather than Tesla's premium brand image and locally focused market, Toyota will have an electric vehicle portfolio for all tiers of affordability, from low-cost to mid-priced. The company's approach extends to affluent economies, as it targets emerging economies such as India, Africa, and South America, creating an immense global base of users. With all these developments, it is not only fair to state that Toyota is making a strategic push that Tesla may not have anticipated. The EV race has evolved beyond mere questions of speed or style. Now it relies on green technology, battery engineering, and international market penetration. With popularity and name recognition, Tesla has it. but Toyota brings monumental experience, meticulous planning, and replicable systems. Since Toyota has now gone all in on its EV lineup, Tesla has to proceed more cautiously now. Whether Toyota will eventually pass Tesla remains to be seen today, but the coming years will tell. But if you thought Toyota was just catching up, think again. Because the BZ5 isn't just competitive, it's redefining the rules of the game and shaking every rival to their core. Toyota's new EV, BZ5. The auto sector has witnessed a historic milestone with the long-awaited launch of the Toyota BZ5, a groundbreaking electric car that has gone on to massively disrupt the highly competitive market dynamics, long dominated by industry veterans like Tesla and BYD. Recently launched to the willing buyers in China on May 16, 2025, this advanced premium-level fastback crossover form electric car is creating waves and making wide-reaching news headlines for its startlingly aggressive pricing strategy, which begins at a jaw-droppingly low figure of a mere $18,000 on the lower end of the scale. This particular step is a crucial review and investigation of some of the fundamental questions that pertain to the general financial viability of the current electric vehicle offerings that are available in the marketplace. This is particularly relevant given that there is stiff competition, as represented by the Tesla Model Y, which comes with price tags that are notably well over the $40,000 price range. The Toyota BZ5 features a futuristic aesthetic design theme that is unmistakably high-tech, as evidenced by its bold and aggressive headlights, flowing and graceful body lines, and a traditional tilting roofline that also adds to its overall slippery stance. However, the real innovation of this car lies in the way that it is made, which is essentially rooted in its sophisticated technological underpinnings. This incredible electric vehicle is motivated by Toyota's in-house ETNGA platform, a bespoke architecture engineered specifically for electric vehicles that features a modular building method. This not only ensures the ideal weight distribution of the car, but also adds to its structural solidity, ensuring durability and performance. The innovative design of the platform packs the battery into the chassis frame, offering greater range capacity and high safety ratings. The contracted vehicle is powered by BYD battery technology through their world-leading LFP blade battery. BYD has become world-renowned as the highest-quality LFP battery maker through its world-class safety and long-life characteristics. The world-class battery system is reliable for a variety of charging cycles and has minimal risk of thermal runaway. Furthermore, the fast-charging option provides 80% capacity in less than 30 minutes. Most prominently, if not perhaps the most impressive aspect of the BZ5, is definitely the better value proposition that it offers, given that it retails for $18,000. The vehicle remarkably offers an astonishing list of upscale features that one would find in electric vehicles that cost a lot more money. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Display of digital instrumentation. Large screen, touchscreen infotainment system. Voice command feature. Connected car technology with OTA updates. Mobile application integration in detail. This comprehensive and lengthy list of features, comprising an extensive set of attributes, breaks the traditional norms of the auto industry. This is especially true when compared to established players such as Tesla, which have long set the technology at a premium level. The Toyota BZ5's edge is founded upon several important points, all of which combine to reinforce its standing in the market even more. Toyota stands today at the pinnacle of its performance as one of the world's top auto manufacturers. A vast and extensive network of service centers is well placed in numerous locations all over the world. A record of always producing quality. Experience in large-scale production capacity. While Tesla is still grappling with quality control issues, supply chain mismanagement, and fulfillment of service, Toyota is moving forward and is still ahead in terms of strategically locating its manufacturing facilities for the upcoming release of the BZ5 into the global market. After the release of the car in China, proposals are on the table to roll out cross-country into other Asian and European markets. What is truly unique about the BZ5 is the fact that it has been specially designed and tailored with middle-class consumers in mind. Those car buyers who are looking for affordable electric vehicle ownership without making too many compromises on essential features and functionalities that are important to them. Safety was at the top of the list throughout the extended development process of the BZ5, and accordingly, the vehicle was meticulously designed to achieve stringent 5-star safety ratings. Some of the advanced safety features incorporated in this model are dual airbag deployment systems for providing the best protection in the event of a collision, a lane-keeping aid to help the vehicle stay correctly aligned within the lane, automatic emergency braking that swiftly engages to prevent collisions, and sophisticated camera monitoring systems for enhanced visibility and awareness of the surroundings of the vehicle. In direct comparison with the Tesla Model Y, as the latter provides more power output, the BZ5 wins on the grounds of better affordability, practicality, and mass market appeal. This strategic alliance between Toyota and BYD is a paradigm shift in the electric vehicle market, where established players are embracing cooperative paradigms to establish mutually beneficial relationships, but firm competition as well. The Toyota BZ5 is a groundbreaking and revolutionary change in the paradigm of electric vehicle production, effectively creating new and higher benchmarks that are set to create new standards across the industry as a whole. Although Tesla pioneered the first large-scale adoption of electric vehicles, it is now traditional auto industry leaders, such as Toyota, that are actively disrupting the market by launching competitively streamlined pricing structures alongside innovative technology packages. As this game-changing vehicle goes into mass production on a global scale, it is strategically positioned to upset Tesla's dominant stance across the market and become consumers' preferred choice in the rapidly expanding electric vehicle market. But what really gave Toyota this upper hand? It wasn't just luck. It was decades of quiet, calculated innovation that built the foundation for what's unfolding in the EV world right now. The secret of Toyota's strength and technology. Toyota's deliberate exploration of the automotive industry is a fascinating case of technological adaptation and market evolution. As Tesla and BYD focused on manufacturing exclusively full battery vehicles, Toyota invested a lot of effort in developing hybrid technology. The strategy Toyota took was slow and careful, but the success of future studies was visionary. Toyota was able to develop both technical expertise and consumer confidence prior to entering the electric vehicle market. The development period of hybrid technology played various roles for the company. By developing mid-level technology, Toyota was able to establish a transition to research and development in relation to electric vehicles, all while developing consumer confidence by building hybrids in every country across the planet. The strategy had considerable success, as Toyota had a huge sales record for hybrids across the globe. Maps of the automotive market share show Toyota's total dominance of the automobile market. In 2024, Toyota recorded an amazing 10.3 million sales globally, far exceeding Tesla, 1.8 million units, and BYD, 3 million units. While Tesla and BYD are leading the electric vehicle market at the moment, Toyota's overall dominance in the entire auto industry puts it in a solid position to grow in the future. Toyota's commitment to innovation was particularly evident in its recent announcement to use solid-state battery technology. Dated for the early part of 2025, this technology update promises revolutionary developments in charging speed and range efficiency. Toyota's projections suggest their upcoming electric vehicles will boast extremely fast 10-minute charging speeds to a full charge, with an estimated range of more than 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. This is significantly better than with current technology, where Tesla takes 30 to 40 minutes for fast charging and achieves ranges of 400 to 500 kilometers. Along with technical strengths, Toyota possesses several strategic strengths that enhance its competitive leverage. Toyota possesses a highly sophisticated factory and supply chain infrastructure in major markets around the world. While Tesla faces serious challenges developing new manufacturing capabilities due to spending and approvals, Toyota has established full-scale manufacturing capacity, parts suppliers, and dealer networks in all major markets: North America, Europe, India, Africa, and Latin America. The firm also built differentiated BEVs architected specifically for BEVs, with a key emphasis on power, weight distribution, battery placement, and drive performance. Moreover, Toyota is partnering with major Japanese technology leaders in their own right, such as Panasonic, Denso, and Sony, to develop new digital cockpit technologies and autonomous driving capabilities, while competing with Tesla's longevity of dominance in software and autopilot technologies. Most notably, Toyota has announced intentions to disrupt the mass market segment with low-cost electric vehicles competitively priced at around $18,000 for models like the BZ5. This aggressively competitive price point forces the competition and has the potential to democratize electric vehicle access. Looking ahead, Toyota appears well positioned to assume a leadership role in the EV space. With its vast production capacity, next-generation battery technology, and low-cost strategy, the company is well placed to challenge Tesla and BYD in the global market. Toyota's successful launch of its projected solid-state battery may be particularly revolutionary, potentially marking a watershed moment in the competitive dynamics of the electric car market. When the whole world is in the race for EVs, why is Toyota still stuck on hybrids? While the automotive sector witnesses a revolutionary shift towards electric vehicles, with trend-setting firms like Tesla going whole hog to make EVs, Toyota stands out from the crowd in retaining its strategic focus on hybrid technology. This deliberate deviation from the prevailing trend calls for scrutiny, particularly at a time when established players like BMW, Mercedes, and BYD also shift more and more towards electric vehicles as the future. The essential inquiry is, why does Toyota still promote hybrid technology while the rest of the automotive world seems to be sprinting toward full electrification? Because Toyota has its own philosophy of caution and understanding, as opposed to uncritical trend following. Toyota's approach is founded on the philosophy of embracing right technology at the right time, which means a policy of tempered innovation rather than premature adoption. Toyota's history with hybrid technology dates back as far as 1997, when the company introduced the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, the Toyota Prius. As the world remained influenced by traditional petroleum-based engines, Toyota experimented with a new dual powertrain system fusing traditional internal combustion engines with electric motors. This groundbreaking achievement allowed for a better fuel economy while simultaneously reducing the environmental footprint in the form of fewer emissions. 20 or so years later, despite the mounting momentum of electric vehicles, Toyota continues to uphold hybrid technology because of a variety of compelling arguments. It is one central problem that addresses the current limitations of charging infrastructure around the world. Outside of advanced countries like the United States and Europe, there are multiple regions in India, Africa, South America, and Asia that are highly afflicted with limited means of setting up extensive charging networks. This charging infrastructure deficit causes understandable concern among prospective purchasers over access to charging facilities along long trips. Hybrid vehicles do the most to solve these issues by resolving the problem of range anxiety. Hybrid vehicles can obtain power through two methods of propulsion: the simultaneous use of a typical gasoline engine along with electric propulsion through an electric motor that charges itself through regenerative braking. This relieves concerns about an adequate driving range overall and lowers the need for fuel consumption, helping distort their zeros over many complementary competition consistencies over the years. In the case of Toyota's hybrid vehicles, the Camry Hybrid, the Corolla Hybrid, and the Innova Hybrid undergo regular measures of commercial viability on a global scale. Another primary factor in Toyota's strategy relates to reliability and durability concerns. Electric vehicles are a novel technology, with consumers having every right to worry about battery longevity, maintenance costs, and trade-in value. Toyota's hybrid offerings, on the other hand, have established an extraordinary record of performance over several decades, with batteries consistently lasting 7 to 10 years and very little maintenance required. Such a proven performance history underpins Toyota's belief in continuing its hybrid program. Environmental benefits make up a significant proportion of Toyota's hybrid strategy. While electric vehicles are probably cited as the primary solution to reducing pollution, Toyota's hybrid technology has long been shown to be amazing in reducing environmental impact. Hybrid vehicles generate approximately 30 to 40% fewer emissions compared to conventional petroleum-based burning vehicles, which represents significant progress toward sustainability goals. While Toyota closely watches the evolving electric vehicle market and makes significant investments in research and development, including in solid-state battery technology, Toyota has remained committed to hybrids as its priority for the near term. Solid-state batteries hold out solutions to two inherent vulnerabilities in current EV technology: charging time and range anxiety. However, until this technology is practical and affordable, Toyota sees hybrid vehicles as the best possible solution, especially for customers who do not have permanent access to charging facilities. Global scalability is another area of strategy focus at Toyota. Electric vehicles require huge quantities of raw materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, which have limited supply bases. Hybrid cars with smaller numbers of batteries per unit provide a greener option from a resource management perspective. It helps Toyota maintain greater volume production at lower expense and lower environmental strain. In conclusion, Toyota's commitment to hybrid technology is not a refusal to innovate or a hesitation to embrace electric cars. It is, rather, a sensible long-term strategy based on practical responses to the demands of the current market. While Toyota continues to develop advanced EV technologies, particularly in the field of solid-state battery technology, its hybrid vehicles represent a transitional bridge period between conventional fossil fuel engines and full electrification. This measured approach positions Toyota well to become a leader in the broader auto industry, combining proven hybrid technology with ongoing EV development efforts. We have now come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting, make sure to share your thoughts on the video in the comments section below. See you in the next video.